In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can integrate ClickUp with Google Calendar. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside your main dashboard, you're going to go to the left panel right here and then go on More, then click on Apps. This is where all integrations happen. So simply search in Google Calendar here on the search node, or if you see it in your screen, click on it. Then click on Connect. After this, you would be redirected to another tab where you're going to choose an account to continue with ClickUp. Choose one, and then give permission to ClickUp. After that, wait for a few seconds, and once you see this, it means you've successfully connected your Google Calendar account to your ClickUp account. Simple as that. So, if you want to support our channel for being helpful, please use the affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.